Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Moonlighter game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store and in search the store search for Moonlighter game and then click on Moonlighter game. Scroll down and here you will say get Moonlighter free to keep when you get it before 9th August. So if you download this game before 9th of August, then you can keep this game in your account forever. So click on add to account button. Click on click to install now. And here you will see Moonlighter game and the file size is 1.17 GB. So click on install button. Then go to library. And here you can see that Moonlighter game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps, you can also download and install Moonlighter game for free via the Steam launcher. And you can download this game before 9th of August to keep this game forever in your account. This game is free to keep. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.